If you're an aspiring professional coach and you want some tips to build your business and you want the inside edge so that you can grow your following and your bottom line, well, this video is for you. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. Look, I've had 8 years of experience coaching what's become thousands of people in total, and a lot of what I've seen has led me to create this video about tips to build your professional coaching brand. I all but guarantee you haven't heard of at least one of these tips, and I challenge you to comment down below whether or not at least one of these tips surprised you or not. But in the meantime, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. I recently did a video entitled Building a Business as a Professional Coach, and in short, it gives you the key to unlock the door that's likely been blocking your ability to get views on your videos and ideal customers to purchase your paid offerings once you've built up enough trust with them. Watching that video will confirm the problem you really may have, and that video will go a long way towards helping you to solve that problem. So if you haven't watched that previous video yet, be sure to check it out after you're done watching this one. Now let's get more into some really useful tips to build your professional coaching brand. Tip #1, have a multi-platform plan. And no, I'm not just talking about, well, I'll do live streams on Facebook, post the replays, and then repurpose them as edited videos on YouTube too. I mean, not a bad idea, I'm not saying that, but that's not what I'm talking about. What I mean is you need to have a presence, even as a beginner, on a sufficient amount of social media platforms so you can get on the radar screens of the specific narrowed down niche of people who could qualify as audience members for you. Folks that I often refer to as your ideal customer. They're the perfect people for your coaching business and its customized solutions to assist with the main pain point that they have. In order to increase awareness about you, your content, your YouTube channel, etc., you need to stop thinking in terms of just Facebook and YouTube. Whomever your ideal customer is, think about the top 2 social media platforms that they're on more than anywhere else and start creating daily content that you'll post there and optimize to be found in search by that specific ideal customer who's searching up on keywords and or hashtags that will call up more content for them to binge on. Make sure you're part of that mix, okay? You'll increase awareness about you, and that will help you to grow your audience just by doing that alone. As you get bigger and bigger and eventually start growing a team of your own to help you, you can branch out to 3 social media platforms where you put daily content that's meant to be found in search by your ideal customer. Then down the road, as you continue to build your team, you have a presence on 4 social media platforms and so on. Do you do them all at once? No way. You'll go crazy, burn out, or both. Right now, pick 2 social media platforms and start creating daily content to publish there. This is the first of my tips to build your professional coaching brand. Tip #2, have a traffic driving plan. Getting awareness is just the beginning, and I know that creating daily social media content is gonna be time consuming, especially in the beginning when you're first starting out. But honestly, you'll show up in search and be on the radar screen of the people you need to get the attention of. But that's not enough. Your social media post captions and or the content itself needs to keep earning beyond that. You actually want all, if not most, of your social media content to drive people from the social media platforms to maybe your YouTube channel, your sales page, 1 video at a time, to your Facebook and or Instagram and or related, streams. That's how you're going to grow your views, grow your subscribers, grow your followers. That's going to help to grow your community of ideal customers. The more you continue to publish on social media too, the more you'll be putting out reminders to your followers and or subscribers there on, say, social media that you exist, that your live streams and videos exist, and that you can continue to remind them to keep tuning in, say one live stream at a time, one YouTube video at a time. You're there to help them. They just need to become more regular members of your community to get the attention and initial help that they need. If you think people are just going to remember on their own about you, well, nobody's cornered the market on busy. Everyone's busy and everyone has a million push notifications nowadays and such to deal with too. So as one of my tips to build your professional coaching brand, you need to have a dual purpose for each piece of social media content you put out. Number one, get on people's radar screens. And number two, drive traffic to the platforms where you need to build a community to give you the views, subscribers, and followers and email list opt-ins that you need, not to just get to people buying your paid offerings, to get even more access to you, like your coaching packages and courses, but also to get into the partner programs. Earn that AdSense revenue, baby. Get more channel supporters, merch or merchandise purchasers. Why not? And so on. Tip number 3, have an income production plan. Now, if you want to make money as a professional like coach, that's great. You should. You should want this to be your full-time gig. If it's not already, sure, go for it. But at the end of the day, you have to have a serious income production plan, and that is not as simple as, I'm going to get my sales funnels and or my sales pages out there for people to buy my courses and or coaching packages. I'm going to get into partner programs. I'm going to sell merch. I'm going to have an affiliate income. I'm going to get sponsorships, etc. That's a start, but that's not enough. Then what do I mean? Here's the question you need to ask yourself. What is the plan that you have in place to get the message out to people with every single piece of content that you put out there, say, that they should follow you, learn from you, and trust you one way or another? If you don't put out a call to action, many people won't do anything. They've got squirrel brain syndrome, So some will and some won't. They're just going to consume and run unless you take them by the hand and lead them. So do you have at least 2 campaigns set up a month where you're seeking financial support from your community? Or did you just hang up your website in digital outer space and start hoping that people would find it on Google and then you make sales? Or do you just, once a month put out links to your sales pages and that's more or less that? To do this right to start off, you need to be planning out and publishing social media posts daily, again, on at least the 2 platforms that you're putting out a live stream once a week or more, right? You've got videos that you're posting to YouTube, maybe even to Facebook and Instagram, as saying Instagram, TV, video, whatever. You're serving up a lot of value, right? So don't feel bad about having at least 2 campaigns a month in there that you're actually selling to your email list and to your social followers as well. Are you selling a new course? Are you dropping new merch? Are you reminding people twice a month with emails and Discord? Yes, non-gamers can use Discord via social media during lives, in videos, that they can support you or your YouTube channel, you on Patreon? Are you letting people know that you have an opening in your schedule if you do one-on-one coaching? And or are you selling more spots in your one-on-group coaching program? How strategic are you about that? You should, no matter what business model you run, put out 2 sales-based campaigns a month to pull in money from your email list and followers on YouTube and social media. That's what driving traffic is. And having 2 bursts of income arrive a month minimum, it's just a start. As you get bigger and you have a bigger team, you could do 3 income producing campaigns, then 4, averaging out 1 a week. Maybe, you're 1 week you're selling your course, another week you're selling merch, another week you're selling slots into a one-on group coaching plan. And the 4th week, you're driving traffic to your Patreon account and or an affiliate link. Nice, right? Earn your chops, get your support, and train up your audience that you're giving a lot of value to so that their know, like, and trust and overall support of you allows you to continue to create value for them moving forward. Soon they're going to want to pay for your paid offerings to get more access to you, live or otherwise. There's no shame in a symbiotic relationship. It's all Tom Hanks to Cuba Gooding Jr. in the movie Jerry Maguire. Help me, help you. People are happy to help. You just got to ask more and more clearly than I almost guarantee you are. If you treat your business like a hobby, it'll pay you like a hobby. If you treat your business like a business, it'll pay you like a business. Stop being so passive and get more intentional and active by driving traffic to income-producing opportunities and not just relationship marketing your face off on YouTube and social media all the time. That's a super important one of my tips to build your professional coaching brand. So listen, I want to hear from you. Which one of the tips that I've outlined in this video actually surprised you, and or do you have questions about? Comment down below. I do read your comments. In the meantime, if you want more help in terms of distinguishing yourself from the crowd and increasing your trustworthiness in the eyes of your niche, I actually have a freebie for you to pick up called 10 Reasons Why You're Viewed as a Fake Guru and How to Gain Credibility and Customers Instead. And you can pick it up at don'tbeafakeguru.com. The link for you to score that freebie guide is in the show notes or the description down below this video. There you have it. Now you have my answer when it comes to some useful tips to build your professional coaching brand. Need more help? Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.